Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Our presenters for today are from Group Garden. Before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. The first is Hanum Salsabila, myself as moderator, and then Maurana Shifa, Intan Pandini, and Angel. Okay, today we will present about homework burdens the student. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, the first material is claim and will be explained by Intan and Maura. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Okay guys, ever heard of SEL but not sure what it means? Okay, social emotional learning or SEL has emerged a crucial component of education and a crucial missing piece in educational puzzle, fostering the development of essential life skills that go beyond the classroom. However, research increasingly showed that focusing simply on cognitive skill is not enough to prepare students for success in life. Okay, what is SEL? What is social emotional learning? Okay, SEL or social emotional learning is the process of acquiring and applying the knowledge, attitudes, and skill necessary to understand and manage emotion, set achieve positive goals, build healthy relationship, make responsible decision, and handle challenging situation effectively. So, social emotional learning is about fostering the whole child, not just academic. Okay, the next presenter, Maurana Ship.
Okay, it encompasses 5 key areas. The first one is self-awareness, recognizing and understanding one's own emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. The second one is self-management, effectively managing emotions, impulses, and behaviors. The third one is social awareness, recognizing and understanding the emotions and perspective of others. The fourth one is relationship skills, building and maintaining healthy relationships. The last one is responsible decision. It making thoughtful choices considering consequences. Next, why integrate SEL? The first one is improve academic performance, enhance social skills and emotional, better decision and problem solving abilities, increase resilience, and reduce conflict and improve classroom climate. Next slide. Warren. The first one is students have limited time outside of school hours due to academic commitments, including homework assignments, studying for exams, and attending extracurricular activities. The second one is engaging in social activities is essential for students' overall development. It helps them build social skills, forge friendships, and relieve stress. The last one is when students spend excessive time on homework, they have less time to socialize with friends, participate in sports, clubs, or other recreational activities, which are important for their emotional and social growth. Thank you.
Okay, the third material is evidence and will be explained by Intan. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you again for moderator. Before I will tell the evidence, I will ask to Alivia. Okay, Alivia, are you here? Olivia. Okay. Okay. Olivia not answer. Okay, everyone, have you heard of the book The Homework Myth by Apicon? Okay, I will tell you the book that support our group argument. The Homework Myth by Apicon in the series Why Our Kids Get Too Much of a Bad Things. Because in this book, Kohn argues that excessive homework assignment can disrupt the balance of children's lives, reducing time that could be used for physical activity, socializing, resting, or pursuing personal hobbies and interests. And then Kohn also point out that excessive homework assignment can result in less time for activities that support student social and emotional development, such as playing with friends, participating in extracurricular activities, or spending quality time with family. These activities are important for part of childhood development and provide opportunities to learn important life skills such as teamwork, communication, and problem solving. That's all from me. I return to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Intan. And next slide. Okay, the fourth material is theory and will be explained by myself. Okay, Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory. The statement homework can burden students' social emotional development is supported by Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory. Piaget's theory emphasizes that children actively construct their knowledge of the world and that cognitive development occurs through specific stages. Piaget observed that children construct their understanding of the world through action, representation with words, thinking logically, and using reasoning. However, additional schoolwork, such as homework, can place additional cognitive and emotional burdens on students, such as difficult homework, short deadline for submission, while the student may have various other activities, such as playing with friends, participating in extracurricular activities, taking courses outside of academics, or even hanging out with family. And this can lead to stress, anxiety, or even conflict in family relationships. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, the last material is reasons, and case example will be explained by Angel. Okay, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. In this occasion, I would like to tell the reason why homework burdens students. For the first reason is lack of leisure time. Excessive homework reduces students' time for playing, resting, or spending time with family and friends. And the second reason is stress and anxiety. Heavy homework loads can lead to high level of stress and anxiety in students, which can disrupt their emotional development. And the third reason is limited social interaction. Students busy with homework may have little time to interact with peers outside of school, which is an essential part of their social development. And the last reason is limited time for extracurricular activity. Too much homework can also reduce students' time for participating in extracurricular activities that helps them to develop social and emotional skills such as sport or clubs. There is also news that say two teens in China commit suicide over unfinished homework. This news highlight that homework can burden on students. Donaldson Pressman told CNN, the data show that homework over this level is not only beneficial to children's grades or GPA, but there's really a plethora of evidence that it's detrimental to their attitude about school, their grades, their self-confidence, and their social skill, also their quality of life. That's it for me. I will return back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Angel. Okay, all material has been explained, and if there are any questions, can be asked. Okay, Anna.
Okay. May I ask? According to Con and the homework myth, what are the negative effects of too much homework on children? Thank you. Please answer.
Okay, thank you, Anna, for the question.
Okay, I will uh I will answer the Anna question. From the book The Homework Myth by Aficon, the negative effect of too much homework on children is Con point out that too much homework can negatively affect children while disrupting their life balance. Children may have less time to engage in physical activity, socialize with friends, rest, or pursue their hobbies and interests. In addition, excessive homework can reduce time that could be spent on activities that support social and emotional development, such as participating in extracurricular activities and spending time with family. As a result, uh, children may miss out on opportunities to develop important life skills such as communication, teamwork, and the ability to solve problems. Okay.
Okay, Anna, is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, anything else? Okay, the question answered. Then okay, Angel, sorry, can you next the slide? Okay, the question answered, and then the conclusion of our presentation. In conclusion, excessive homework assignments can have detrimental effects on students' social and emotional development. Limited leisure time increases stress and anxiety, decreases social interaction, and reduced participation in extracurricular activities are among the reasons why homework can be burdensome for students. Evidence from experts like Alfie Kohn supports the notion that overwhelming homework loads can disturb the balance of students' life and hinder their natural curiosity and intrinsic motivation to learn. Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory further highlights the potential negative impacts on excessive schoolwork on students' cognitive and emotional well-being. Therefore, it is essential for educators and parents to evaluate the benefits of homework and adopt a more balanced approach that prioritizes meaningful learning experiences and safeguard students' overall well-being. Okay, we have finished our presentation. Hopefully, what has been conveyed can be useful. I, as the moderator, apologize if there is a word error. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.